I must say that I am deeply elated by the fact that the people of Ugunja have found it fit to give me a new mandate to be their representative in the National Assembly. This win is basically a win for the people of Ugunja. It's a win for ODM and also a win for the Azimio Coalition Party. We are sure that at the end of the day, the Azimio Coalition Party is going to have a majority of members in the National Assembly. I being one of them, yes. And I'm very happy that this declaration is coming in basically a few hours to the impending declaration of Raila Odinga as the 5th president of the Republic of Kenya.